In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can add a rental property to your list of available properties. First of all, it's best that you have a client added in that is the owner of that rental property. So we're going to go into the clients and look at My Record. Once you have your client record added, you then want to go to the Action option at the top right and link a property. You can either link it to an existing property or you can create a new one. In this case, we're going to create a new property. We're going to enter in the location of the rental property that Luke owns. Now that we've added in the address, at the bottom in the listing type, we can select rental. We can then select the property type as apartment. We can see that the office user we want to assign this to is Luke and that the vendor's name is going to be Luke. We then add the property. Now that the property is being added, you will enter in the basic details of it, beds, bath and car. And the main thing that you want to set up now is that in the life cycle option, you fill in the rental details. Now we're going to enter the rental details on this screen. Now that we can see that we've entered the rental details, you'll want to mark this property as for rent. So over on the right hand side, use the update status option and change the property to for rent and then update the status. You'll now see that on the main image icon, the property is marked for rent. And if you go to the property section of your database, you will now see that you're able to use the quick filter and search for any property you have for rent.